Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install R compiler or RGUI, that means graphical user interface, as well as the Rstudio in Windows 11. So in this time, we will know that what is R and how it will work and why it will use. So R is a programming language and software environment for statistical analysis, graphics representation, and reporting. It is a popular programming language used for basically statistical computing and graphical representation. So why we use it is a great resource for data analysis, data visualization, data science, as well as the machine learning. It provides many statistical sequence techniques such as test, classification, clustering, and data reductions. So it is easy to draw graphs in R like pie chart, histogram, box plot, scatter plot, etc. So it works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux. That's why it is sometimes called the multivariance or cross-platform. It's the open source and free. It has a large community support as well as many packages that can use to solve the different problems. So go to for the download as well as installation. We have to write Rstudio for Windows. Go to the Rstudio desktop. So here the install Rstudio. So we will do the download Rstudio desktop for Windows. Press it is downloading. So that's end. So execute, press this. Yes. Next. Next. See, it's finished. Now finish button press. If you wanna run from the desktop side, search Rstudio. See here. See, R does not appear to be installed. Please install R before using Rstudio. So I have cleared about the R as well as the Rstudio. So it doesn't mistake. It's basically I do this intentionally because of want to know that what is the problem. Yes. From here we can download CRAN. Click. Download R for Windows. Install R for the first time. Before I installed. So here we can run these things. Yes. Okay. Next. It is installing. Finish. Now we will start Rstudio. See, it has come. So press 5 plus 5, enter 10. 2 plus 6, enter 8. So basically what we need, actually first of all we have to install the R for Windows, not other platform, that means Mac, Linux, something like that. So we have to install before R, then Rstudio we have to download as well as we have to install. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you too much.